Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to see your uninstalled apps in Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your uninstalled apps in Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be required to tap on the manage apps and device option over here just below your Google account. Tap on manage apps and device, and over here at the top of the screen you can see there are two options, which is overview and manage. Tap on the manage section guys, and after tapping on the manage section you can see the option that says this device over here. Tap on the option that says this device and tap on the not installed option over here. And when you land on this interface you can see the sorting option over here, which is by name. Where I'm tapping, there it says the name. Tap on that name button over here at the right side of the screen and tap on recently updated, and then your recently uninstalled apps will be shown to you like this on your phone, and you'll be able to view some of your uninstalled apps over here and not all of them. And with that being said guys, this is how to see your uninstalled apps on Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.